Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you two of the most recent products that I received this week. And these two new products are very new in the detailing industry, and I will be applying both of them during the next 3 weeks. So I recommend that you stay tuned and subscribe so you can see the end result. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to show you is the new CarPro Cquartz UK version 3. This ceramic coating from CarPro was released, I would say, like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So it's very recent new product. So I wanted to share that I'm going to be applying this ceramic coating. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay. Sorry. Okay, let's see what is inside. Okay, first of all, this is a CarPro suede towel. This is, I suppose, this is the big one, the 16 by 16 inches one. This is used to remove the excess of ceramic coating that you apply. Very soft. Let's see. Okay, this is the small block applicator. You are going to use this to apply the ceramic coating back and forth in a crisscross pattern, but you also need the sweet microfiber. Let's see if it's in here. Okay, yes, this is some white sweet microfiber towel. These ones are the one that you use, as you can see, to fit on the block, and then you apply the ceramic coating over here, and you apply it to the car laterally and horizontally in a crisscross pattern. Okay. Very cool. What else is here? Oh, wait, there's more. Let's see, what is this? I think these are some hologram stickers. I can't read what it says. I suppose it must have the car logo or Cquartz or something, but I can see what it says. So I suppose that when I apply it to the car, I will be able to see the letters or image. Okay. Oof, this is the Cquartz UK 3 bottle. This is the 50mm one. I ordered this medium bottle because I want to apply 2 coats, and because my car, which is a BMW 535i, it's a big boy, I wanted to make sure to apply 2 coats. And I also want to apply this ceramic coating to my carbon fiber trim to add more protection. So I'm pretty sure this bottle will be more than enough, but I don't want it to get short while applying it. So okay, yes. Okay, this is the CarPro Cquartz UK owner's manual. Congratulations. Okay, this is the latest offering from the industry leader Nanotech Automotive Care. There's a guide and some common questions and their answers. FAQ, yeah. Okay, pretty cool, yeah. Okay, so this Cquartz UK 3, I don't know if the previous version also provided 2 years of protection, but this one has. So I'm pretty sure that I will be providing some good protection to my car with this ceramic coating. So let me put this aside to show you my next product. Okay, CarPro Hyper Slick Top Coating called Gliss. Gliss is also a new product from CarPro. I think Gliss was released last year, if I'm not mistaken. This is a top coat. So basically, this means that it's a coat that you apply over your existing ceramic coating to provide another layer of protection. I will call it a sacrificial layer of protection to your existing ceramic coating, but also it provides some additional slickness to the car. So one of the main benefits of Gliss is that it provides a 110 water contact angle. It will provide additional protection to the car. I will be reading the description in the CarPro website, but first of all, let's see what is inside the box, like we did on the Carpro Cquartz UK 3. It basically has the same things that the Cquartz bought, except of course the product. This is also the 50 millimeter bottle of Gliss, because I want to apply 2 coats also to make my BMW ultra slick. This is the white sweet small towels, and of course the block. Very cool. But last but not least, of course, another 2 more stickers. Oh, it's like orographic or something. I can neither read what it says. Well, I'm going to be checking this out later in the future. Okay, so basically Gliss, it says protection and gloss superior to that of competitors, professional coatings, but easy to use for all retailers, extremely I'm sorry, okay, here the slick Gliss, slick and hyper smooth, next generation top coat, industry leading sliding angle, also works great as a standalone nano coat. You can apply Gliss if your car doesn't have a ceramic coating. It will also work. So one thing that people mention is that you can use Gliss not also as a coating. If your car doesn't have a ceramic coating, you can use Gliss to like start in the ceramic coating area, because you will apply Gliss in the same way using the same tools that you apply any ceramic coating. So basically you apply Gliss with the block, the sweet small towels, and you apply it using a crisscross pattern. So that's the same way that all the ceramic coatings are applied also. So you can start learning on how to apply not only Gliss, but you also will learn how to apply a ceramic coating. So that's very neat. Anti-static, non-oily, resist dust retention, add thickness to your existing coat, enhance resistance to water spot and mineral stains, extreme hydrophobic effect. That's another big advantage of Gliss, is that it will also provide a coating that not also is going to provide more protection, but also a very high hydrophobic effect, and enhances gloss and life of any ceramic coating. So basically Gliss is going to, people use Gliss to, for many reasons, as a top coat, as to provide more gloss, enhanced hydrophobic effect, and resistant to water spot. Gliss will be considered as a sacrificial coat to your existing ceramic coating. So that's very important, and it Gliss provides 12 months of protection approximately. So that's very nice. So I will be posting another video of my car once it receive all both of these products. So I will be taking my car to my detailer in the next few weeks, and after both of these products are applied, I will posting a video so you can see the end results. Okay, so that will be all for today. Thanks and subscribe.